Welcome to this part 1. Understand software application. So, friends, please have a look in the session objectives. Name some software applications, list common components of software applications, list various characteristics of application, list different domains to which software applications belongs to, distinguish between various application categories, distinguish between various application types based on the architecture, name different technologies used for application development, distinguish between various application types based on service model, identify user expectations from the applications, and apply above learnings on given application. Question is why these particular objectives are there? As we have started understanding what software testing is all about, every point written here is actually having some role to play while learning software app testing. Because unless we understand what types of softwares we are dealing with, it is practically challenging to go and understand how to test that particular application. Let's see some of the software applications. These are very commonly used and we all have seen Gmail or Yahoo Mail. This is email application. Facebook or Orkut. Now Orkut is not there, but we can say Facebook or Twitter. So social networking, Google, search engines, MS Word, documentation software, railway reservation or cinema ticket booking, service applications, MS Windows, operating systems, and Internet Explorer browser. Now, if you see clearly, on the left hand side, applications are written, and on the right hand side, categories of those particular applications are written. What is the need? The need is pretty simple. Depending upon the type and the category of application, testing differs or changes. Now, what is software application? Now, I have a question. Can a banking application do a railway reservation for me? Answer is no. My cinema ticket booking application, can it book a railway seat for me? No. Can any application, maybe which is social networking site, let's say Facebook, can it do money transfer for me or open an RD account? No. That clearly indicates that every application has something which is associated, defined for that particular application. Now, this brings us to the what is software application? A software application is a set of programs designed to perform a specific task for the specific user. Please observe carefully. Perform a specific task for the specific user. That gives us a direction or a hint that there are types of users also. So what can be types of users? Like for example, if the user is using that particular application for the first time, we may call it as naive user. Somewhat knows intermediate and totally using day in day out expert user. Depending upon that, these particular things changes. Now, what are the advantages of software application? This thing we all know. And it reduces manual work, it provides accuracy and reliability, fast speed of operations, and access to the application from multiple places. So, this is all about these particular software applications. Going ahead, we will see more how these particular software applications are designed, what are the different categories, and depending upon their categories and usage, how we can evolve software testing for all of them.